Malawi is facing natural and man-made challenges that are causing food insecurity. In February, the country was hit by Cyclone Freddy, which washed away thousands of hectares of crops in the south. The price of maize, a staple crop, has risen 110% compared to the previous year, according to an August report by the Famine Early Warning Systems Network that has left many families scrambling to pay for essential food items, says Davieson Nkhuku, a maize trader.
Things are not good this year. Prices of maize have gone up, and it is hard for most people to purchase. A 50-kilogram bag of maize is now selling at $43, which is an equivalent of 47,000 kwacha. This is too high for families to afford.
A recent maize market report by the International Food Policy Research Institute, or IFPRI, shows that prices of maize in Malawi are among the highest in Africa's southern countries. Duchoslav, an IFPRI research fellow based in Malawi, said the situation is partially caused by challenges to the implementation of the Affordable Inputs Program, a government program that allows farmers to purchase farm inputs at a subsidized cost.
Official production estimates show that there should be just about enough maize in the country. Chances are that, given how high prices are going, that there is less. High prices and the scarcity of fuel probably did not help much either recently. It's expensive to move food around. There's big uncertainty about what will happen with the input subsidy program going into the next harvest, next growing season.
Kondwanihara of the Center for Social Concern, a social justice advocacy institution, blames the high maize prices on a lack of food security policies.
This bill was drafted by Department of Nutrition in collaboration with civil society organizations way back, but up to now the bill hasn't been brought into Parliament to deliberate.
World Food Programme country representative Paul Turnbull says that Russia's invasion of Ukraine has contributed to the current food insecurity.
The war between Russia and Ukraine has hit global food security, and Malawi has not been spared. We remember that the fertilizer prices are already going up sharply in 2021, but in 2022 they doubled with the onset of the war. A large amount of the fertilizer that is traded globally comes from Russia and Ukraine.
An estimated 4.4 million Malawians are likely to face hunger in the 2023-2024 consumption period, making up 22% of the country's population, according to the August 2023 Malawi Vulnerability Assessment Committee report published by the government. Despite this, the government says it has yet to fill up the grain reserves to ease access to the staple grain for those in dire need of food assistance. Chimwe Barata, VOA News, Lilongwe, Malawi.